What is going on, guys? Sebastian Escueta here. In this video, I'm going to break down a $1 million a month Shopify dropshipping store. So I was surfing on myip.ms, which is basically a platform that allows you to see what IPs or what Shopify's IP is hosting. Basically, you can see what the top Shopify stores are. There are a lot of big brands out there that are using Shopify, but you get lucky enough to find dropshipping stores all the time that you can find winning products, winning ad copy, winning product descriptions, all that stuff from these stores. So yeah, I found one and I want to show it. There's a lot of bad stuff that's actually being said about this store, so that's why I want to show it. Like, people think if you have $1 million business, it's like a professional, it's like legit, everything is good to go, but normally it's not. Like they have big issues. Like, I'll show you all of it. But yeah, they're probably doing like 1 mil to 1.2 mil every single month. So yeah, we're gonna get into exactly how they're doing that, what product they're selling, everything on those in that regard. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically, I was just scrolling through here looking for dropshipping stores because obviously, as you guys can tell, a lot of these stores are not dropshipping. Like, there are a lot of big company names that you guys would all recognize. And I actually saw Shop Mr. Beast, which is a YouTuber's merch store, and then I went above it and I was like, oh, Cart Savvy Bunny, that sounds interesting. Maybe it is a dropshipping store. So I clicked on their data, and you can actually see an estimate of their website popularity. They're getting on estimate 15K website visits per day, which is awesome. That's really good. If they're converting, like, they're doing $1.50, we're gonna say $2 per visit. That means they're generating 30K a day, which is 900K every single month, which is awesome for them. So I wanted to do some more digging and see like what product they were selling. So I came to their homepage and I pulled this app, or this Google Chrome extension I use. I forgot what it was called. We'll pull it up right now though. And then I was able to filter and see what exactly they're selling. So I went to best selling. It's called Commerce Inspector, by the way. I just went to best selling, and now it's gonna pull up their best selling. And it is this Titan heavy duty sneakers. So I clicked on it, wanted to check out like their product description and everything like that and what they're doing. They have this is a GIF, they have one of those, they have 2 GIFs, or GIFs, whatever you wanna say. They have a little video, that may actually be GIF format, it looks like it is. And then they have a sizing chart because it is shoes, so you need sizing charts. And then right here is where I saw their shipping, right here. It says, shipping usually takes 2 to 3 weeks, read our shipping for more info. So I was like, wow, this is a dropshipping store. They're getting like 15K visits every single day. That's awesome, that's huge that I found this website. So yeah, I scrolled through all of this, read through it, and they have 1 to 5 day processing, which is depressing because like, even if like I could show you guys how to get 24-hour processing on your store easily, they could easily do it. It's messed up that they're still saying 1 to 5 day processing. Like, that's not acceptable at all for a business of this high tier. Like, for me, if I do 6 figures with a store, I make this stuff look better than this. So I think this is pretty bad. But then they still say 2 to 3 week shipping, which I don't know how they haven't set up faster shipping. So yeah, then I went on to similarweb.com and pulled more data from their overall website from what I could find, and their global ranking is 112,000. I really don't care for that. I care for this. In May, they got 666, or not 600, they got 660,000 website visits, which was, that's a lot. That's quite a bit. We're gonna do math in a second. And then most of it was social, some was direct. Most, I believe it all was from, or actually right here we can actually see what the searches were for. It was mostly for Titan sneakers, Titan heavy duty sneakers, and that's literally kind of about it. So I saw that, and then I also saw that most of it was Facebook. I looked for their Facebook page. I found their Facebook page. I only found links. They didn't really have a Facebook page, so I couldn't find their ads, which was unfortunate. So if any of you guys can, email me or DM me and show me them, because I would love to see them. But I noticed that all their stuff was from Facebook, so I went on and wanted to see like what was going on Facebook when I searched up their name. So what came up was a lot of bad stuff. This one said, order not delivered, complaint against blah 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 blah. I saw it had 13 comments, so I checked and everyone's like still waiting for my package. It's been weeks, it's been like 7 weeks, it's been 8 weeks. I got scammed too, like all this stuff, and I'm like, wow, this is tough. definitely sucks to see this, because the dropshipping community has changed since 2017. It's completely different because a lot of scammers have been out there doing stuff like this, like not fulfilling orders and just screwing people and false advertising and all that stuff, and not treating it like a proper business. So that's upsetting that happened. But yeah, they're doing good numbers. We can do the math right now. So if they're doing 600, we'll do 660,000. And if they have, let's just say a 5% conversion rate, that's good, but let's see. So they have a 0.5 or 0.05 conversion rate. That's gonna be 33,000 orders per month. And then if we take this and base this off of their product price, plus let's say they have upsells, so their sell price is 30. Let's say they get their AOV up to $37, okay? So we're gonna times this by 37, and we come up with a number of 1.2 mil, I believe, right? Yeah, that's $1.2 million revenue. Now, they're definitely spending a lot of money on Facebook ads. I'm going to guess they're spending a few hundred grand at minimum on Facebook ads, and their margins are probably like 20%, 15%. I can't imagine they're anything higher than that, but that is this store. I mean, they do have decent products. Like where is it? This product has been popping off, and I'm surprised it's still generating as much money as it is. And I'm surprised like these pictures work too. Like there's a lot of stuff about the store that I'm iffy about, that I'm kind of shocked, just because it's different than what I do. But it just goes to show, like, there's a lot of different routes you can take to make a $1 million a month store, which is super awesome. I have a store that I'm scaling. I'll probably get to $1 million in a month in probably, like, I don't know, 1 month or 2 months. So I hopefully want to be able to do case studies with that. I have another store that I want to do one as well. It was a 6-figure a month store. But yeah, it's cool to be able to see like what exactly people are doing to generate this amount of revenue, because a lot of people who have never made a consistent amount of money with dropshipping, they have like kind of like limiting beliefs in their head as to what's possible. So for myself, I know the possibilities, I know the potential. I can launch a store and in a month do like 6 figures. It's possible, and it's very doable, but until you do that, it's very tough to believe in yourself. And until you see people do that, it's tough. So I understand it. That's literally how I was, but understand, like, this is data. This says that they're getting 600+ thousand website visits per month. This is like, even if they're converting 1%, 660,000 times 0.01, even if they're doing that much and their AOV is 37, they're still doing $250,000 per month. So they're still pulling in a lot of money. And this is, again, it's not like it's a branded store. They started at the same exact point to where you can start. You guys can literally be competing with this store if you guys did market properly and did the same stuff. I'm not sure if they started the store with data or anything like that, but I just know like they ran this up pretty quick. In January, they had only gotten, that's 2018, okay, February. They've been running it up actually for a while, so yeah, they've been doing well. But that is like kind of a walkthrough of what a $1 million a month store looks like. I think you guys have to understand, these products are not crazy. Like, it's nothing, it's not like it's a fidget spinner. It's something very simple and very, almost dumb. Like even the products I sell, they're not anything crazy. They solve a little problem, and that's basically it. And then I have them priced properly to where I can sell to the masses, and market it properly to where I create an overall brand, aware, not even true brand, it's just like a brand vibe with how I market it. And then yeah, you're golden. So that is about it for this video. That was a $1 million a month store. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. There's no hidden like things that are going on here. They're literally finding products that they want to sell that they think will win. This store is, and then they're just running proper ads. I'm going to assume they either do engagement ads, then do purchases, or what. That's probably what they do, or they just do direct for purchase. But that's like literally it. I couldn't even find their Facebook page though. I typed in their name and it was nothing but people like roasting them for saying they're a scam. So that was tough to see for them. I was hoping to like hype them up, but they're not doing a good job with customer support. So take note of this. Like, even though they're doing $1 million, like, they're still running their business like shit, if I'm being honest. Outsource emails, literally, like, you can hire a VA, pay him $6 an hour, and have him reply to all of your emails. Set up sequences to where he already knows what to reply, so that you have no issues with that. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy me breaking down this store. Again, it probably does, I think, at least $1 million a month. That's if they have like a 3 to 5% conversion rate, that's definitely generous, but I think it's doable with their brand like development and all that stuff. So hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, drop those in the comment section below. I'll answer all questions and comments in the first 24 hours. And then I also answer questions for a straight hour on Instagram. If you guys want to follow me, it's at TMP. I'll put it up here. And then, yeah, I do questions from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. Just to kind of get an understanding of what you guys need to know and what I can help you guys with and all of that stuff. But if you want to learn more about dropshipping, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. And I still, oh, sorry, by the way, I haven't posted where I live now. I moved and I still haven't said it. I was going to say it yesterday on Instagram, but I didn't yet because I was busy. So yeah, I may post that today. I'm not sure. Just follow me on Instagram to see though. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.